Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the template of a Wix website. So firstly, open a browser and log into your Wix website. Then just simply go to the dashboard, then choose whichever site you want to change the template of. Then after that just simply click on edit site. Now after that just simply click on site design over here. So just simply click that. Now over here you will have the option to change the theme or the coloring of your website. So what you have to do is just simply click on customize over here. Now over here you will find all the themes which are given to you by Wix. So just simply click any one of them and the theme will be changed automatically, as you can see right over here. You can also change the text by going to text option, by going into the coloring option. So let me show you. So just simply go to text and choose any type of text you want. Then again go to colors and choose whichever accent of color you want in whichever part of the website. So after picking the theme, just simply click publish and that's it. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.